Kroger is well known in most parts of the United States. They are a company that operates supermarkets and combo stores. The company has been around for 141 years, which makes it older than Coca-Cola. Kroger is also responsible for reimagining the grocery store by letting customers grab the products off the shelves instead of being behind the counter. Big news today for the stock as the Federal Trade Commission announced their plan to block Kroger's acquisition of Albertsons. And by announced, I mean sued. Their argument is that the deal would cause higher grocery store prices and ultimately hurt the workers. Kroger clapped back, claiming that the decision will further exacerbate high inflation throughout the country. Kroger's CEO also added that combining the supermarket operators would lower prices and boost profitability. This would likely come from decreased competition in the marketplace if Albertsons was absorbed. From their most recent 10-K, we can see that the agreement has been baking since 2022, with the FTC throwing a wrench in their plans after all these years. On the stock today, we didn't really see a crazy reaction to these news. On a longer-term time frame, we're painted with a very interesting picture. Looking left, we can see a previous rejection spot that we are currently holding, also known as a break and retest. Slowly, we see that the supply is turning into demand from those bounces we've seen on it. It's also important to note that the $42 zone was never broken, but rather bought up by investors. Interestingly enough, the $48 zone has been a rejection spot in the past, which is where the stock is currently getting stalled at. For the time being, it is still a little bit too early to be able to tell if this current rejection will send the stock back to our $42 demand zone.